Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Hello, hello. Cameras on.
Evening.
Good evening. Super, guys. Let's start with the prayer. Sit in a comfortable cross-leg position. Press sitting bones down. Lengthen the spine. Close your eyes. Inhale, reach the arms up, turn the hands in prayer. Exhale, bring the prayer towards the heart center. Connect the thumbs to the beating of your heart. And take this moment to bring the attention inwards towards your breath. Observe your physical body. Observe your thoughts. Observe your emotional state. And observe your energetic field. Take this moment and set an intention for your practice. Inhale. Om. Exhale, release the hands. Open your eyes. Sorry, guys, there's someone else joining. Now, let's go into the mat. Take your bed with you. Keep it next to. Pull back, laying down.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
I'm not audible. Guys, can you hear me? Everyone can hear me.
Yes, ma'am, we can hear you.
So maybe connection is on your end. I don't know who was asking. Guys, Chintamani, Leela, Ritika, Raki, please cameras on. Let's go, guys. Watch me. You will keep spine fully down, also the lower back. You will extend the right leg down, arms towards the sides. Palms pressing down, and you will lift the leg to the side without leaning. Yes, so the left part, the left hip, sorry, will also press down. Half circle up, full rotation. Yes, 5 reps and then 5 reps other side. Watch me from here. I'm not letting this happen. The pelvis presses down, back presses down. Yes, so full control here. Nothing moves. Yeah, feel the hold. You have to go low, guys. As low as possible, I lift up and I go down without touching my foot to the floor. Yeah? 5 reps. And then opposite direction, 5 reps as well. Let's go. 1. Pointing toes. 2. 3. 4. 5. Reverse. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Very good. Changing leg. Other leg. 1. Lila, where are you? Start. 2. Point the toes, guys. Don't let the other hip lift. 3. Control. 4. Opposite knee doesn't open. Press the foot down. 5. Reverse. 5. Sonia, the knee is bent. 4. Opposite knee is bent, Sonia. Mamta, 3. 2. 1. Very good. Now, you will all take your belt, fold it in half. Half. And now, we will place the mid part of the belt on the mid part of the foot. We will grab close to the foot, everyone. The other leg, the foot is pressing down without letting the hip open, yes? Now, I will inhale, bend the knee to the chest, exhale, extend. I'm applying resistance with my leg. It means I'm pulling towards me. So here with the knees, when I'm pulling towards me, so when I extend, there is resistance, it feels tough. Doesn't need to feel too tough that I cannot extend, yeah? If it's here. Shoulders should not be lifted. Yes, those who cannot grab fully here, grab a little bit less. Still, you will need to bend the leg and bend the knee to exhale in whichever degree you are. It doesn't matter. What matters here is that you find this resistance. Guys, attention to the other leg. In the past exercise, I see legs open like this, while the other one is rotating and this is happening. Whatever part is on the floor, which meaning opposite leg, the foot is actively pressing down. Control. We do everything with precision, guys. Yeah? Let's go next. One. Vijaya, don't extend the other leg. Keep it bent. Bend the knee to chest, guys. Exhale, extend. 2. Exhale, extend. Vijaya, bend and extend. 3. Exhale. 4. Exhale. 5. Exhale and hold. It should feel that you have some resistance. If it feels too easy, you are doing something wrong. Pull towards you, guys. Even if the leg is extended, pull towards you. We are holding, Raki. Start. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Other leg. Guys, attention, corrective in the other side. You were not able to find this resistance. Grab it closer towards the foot. Let's start. 1. Inhale, bend the knee to chest. Exhale, extend. 2. Exhale. 3. 4. 5. Exhale, extend the leg. Keep pulling the leg towards you. And hold. Mamta, bend the elbows. So maybe the leg can come closer. Yes. Stay. Find stillness, guys. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Super. Let's go to tabletop position. Sorry guys, something is wrong. No. Tabletop position. You will tuck toes under. Exhale, hips up. Inhale, touch the knees. Exhale. Yes, when I exhale, I lengthen the spine. The knees can be bent. Yes, but actively pressing the toes down. 10 reps. Last rep we will hold here. And then we will go the tippy toes to the front of the mat. Bring the feet hip distance. Yeah? Let's go. Everyone tabletop, measure that the hand is right under the shoulder. Knees under the hips. Let's go. 1. Exhale up. Inhale, touch the knees. Exhale 2. Inhale, knees to the floor. Exhale 3. Inhale. Exhale 4. Inhale. Vijaya, we are going to from tabletop to down dog. Exhale 5. Feet hip distance, Vijaya. Inhale. Exhale 6. Inhale. Exhale 7. Inhale. Exhale 8. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale 9. Inhale. Exhale 10. Hold it down dog. Hold downward facing dog, Adho Mukha. Hold it. Stillness. Pressing the hands, lengthening the spine, legs straight, or keep a micro bend on the knees. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to the front of the mat. Walk the toes towards your hands. Feet hip distance apart. Now you're gonna bring the elbows, opposite elbows to touch behind your knees. Now the belly wants to touch the thighs, no space, not this. So I will bend the knees, inhale, look forward, press the feet down. Try to lengthen, my pelvis goes to the sky and I straight. If I'm here, I go a little bit less. I keep pressing with the feet, guys. The stretch will be there. But there's no point in doing this. Yeah? So always inhale. Press, exhale. Yeah? 5 reps. And last rep we hold in the forward bend. Prep, guys. Feet hip distance. Those who don't have, please. Opposite elbows. 1. Inhale, bend the knees, look forward. Exhale, press the feet, extend. Inhale, bend the knees, look forward. Halfway only, Lila, not all the way down. Exhale, extend. Inhale, 2. Lila, you're going too low, halfway. Exhale, extend. The hands, opposite elbows behind. Inhale, 3. Exhale, extend. Inhale, 4. Exhale, extend. Last one. Inhale, 5. Exhale, extend and hold. 30 seconds. Press the feet, belly to your thighs. Bend more the knees, Mamta. Don't worry. Bend more the knees, belly to touch your thighs. Lean towards the toes, everyone. Body weight towards the toes. Vijay, extend the legs. Yes. Hold it, guys. Lean more weight towards the toes, Ritika. 10, 9, 8, 7, eyes down. Chintamani, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly, slowly bend the knees. Roll the spine, come up to standing position. Now, standing position, we will take the belt. Watch me here. There is balance, there is strength, there is flexibility. All of it. Yes, you will bend the knee to the chest. Bring the belt on the mid part of the foot. Yes, you want to grab it close to your foot once again. The other foot, so right foot in this case, the one that is on the floor, I'm pressing down. I'm not letting the leg loose. Press and lock. Exhale. Maybe here, maybe you extend fully. Inhale. My arms keep pulling towards me. So even if you don't see on camera, I'm pulling. When I extend, there is resistance. It's different from doing this. No resistance there. Right? So we want to find this point of mild resistance when we extend. 5 reps. Last rep we will hold with the legs straight. Yeah? Let's go. Eyes forward, guys. Let the knee come up to you. Ready? Exhale, forward. Inhale, center. Exhale, 2. Inhale, center. Exhale, 3. Inhale, center. Exhale for Sonia Noble. Inhale, center. Exhale, 5. Extend and hold. 30 seconds, guys. Focus. Eyes forward. Keep gripping the toes that are on the floor. Keep the upper leg extended. Maximum focus. Yes, yes. Raki, start. Dheeraj, you are out of frame. I can't see if you are practicing or not. Move the camera maybe. Last 10, 9, 8, 7. Eyes forward. 6, 5, 4. Sarita, start. 3, 2, 1. Slowly bend the knee. Same way you came in, you come out. Other leg. Guys, super. Keep your eyes forward before you even lift the knee. Yeah? Other leg. Three, 2, 1. We start. Extend. Inhale. Exhale, extend 2. Divya, grab closer to the foot and don't lean back with the chest. 3, extend. Inhale. Exhale, 4. Inhale. Last one and hold. Exhale, 5. Extend and hold. Raki, grab closer to your foot. Like this is very difficult. Grab your belt closer to the foot. Raki, you're not listening. Grab the belt. No. From the start. Bend the knee. Bend the knee. Are you starting wrong? Yes. Grab the belt closer to your foot, Raki. Last 10, 9, 8. Yes. Balance. 7, 6. Eyes forward. Much better. 5, 4. Stay, Raki. 3, 2, 1. Raki, stay up. Appa. Very good. Raki, do you see the difference? If you grab too far, it's very difficult to balance. Now, guys, watch me. I will put on spotlight. Now, everyone will keep their hands on the waist. Bring the knee up. Extend. Bring the knee center. You will lean back. Yeah? Center. Pause. Exhale. Center. Pause. And back. When you go back, if this is not available, yes, where the hips are squared, you can bend the knee. So I'm here. I will bend the leg that is on the floor to be able to go back. Yeah? And then center I will pause and then extend. If the legs comes here. Yes, this is your hip flexors. So like this, we're making it a bit challenging. And we're building strength, flexibility, mobility, all in one. 5 reps and then second leg. Yeah? Let's go. Everyone, focus maximum. Let's start at your own pace. 5 reps. Extend, bend, and back to warrior 3. Slowly, guys. Move slow, press the foot on the floor. Engage your legs, engage your core. It's a full body that is working here. Five reps one side, 5 reps other side. Those who have finished one side, go to the other side. Don't try to rush it, those who are losing balance. Focus on gripping the foot on the floor and keeping your eyes steady. Five reps each side, guys. Five reps each side. Those who finish, just stay standing so I know. Last seconds for the rest to finish. 2-3 people only. Next one, guys. Watch. We will take the chair in front of us. Right heel on top. We will lift, touch. Lift, touch. Even 1 millimeter lift. Even teeny tiny. Yes, full leg is engaged, knee locked. Use your strength. The other knee can be bent. Only for those who feel very tight. Yeah, because this is also actively working on the hamstrings. If you feel very tight, bend the knee and lift. Yes, 5 reps. Last one. We will hold it up. So you do 5 reps on your own, one side, other side, and then we will all hold together. Yeah? Let's go. Leg distance from the chair, guys. The heel should be at the edge of the chair, yeah? Super. Let's start. Full focus. Eyes forward. Foot that is on the floor pressing down. Add your own rhythm. 5. Guys, engage the core, engage the leg to come up. Don't throw the leg up. Those who are throwing the leg, don't throw it. Whatever lift, lifts. It will improve with practice. Toes pointing up, Ritika. Toes pointing up to the sky, Ritika. Yes. Sonia, press toes down. You are a little bit far. 1 step forward with the foot, Sonia. Try now. 5 reps each leg. Divya, don't lean back. If it lifts little bit, it's fine. You are building the strength. Chintamani, toes up. Those who finish the first side go on to second side, second leg. Five reps only each side. Everyone has finished? Yes? Guys, now we go for the hold. 20 seconds up. It's gonna feel tough. The leg may be shaking. Hold it. Hold the pose. Don't hold the breath. Focus on the breathing. This shaking is normal. Yeah? It's like when you go to the gym and carry heavy weight. It's not gonna feel easy peasy every time. This is the same. Yeah, but engage the leg fully. Toes pointing up. Engage the core. Press the other foot to the floor. You have all the elements. Use them all. Yeah? Everyone in position because I'm starting the timer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Super. Stay. Full focus. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Divya, not with the wall. 4, 3, 2, 1. With the chair, Divya, with the chair. Or the leg. You will play, Divya, on top of the chair. When I say go, you will lift the leg up. Yeah, a little bit, whatever you can. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, and go. Up, up, up. Everyone up. Timer is on. Full strength, full focus. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Super. Good job, guys. Now, we will remove the chair. Last exercise here, standing. Everyone will take the toes back, point the toes on the floor. You will bend the front knee, keep the hands in prayer, lean forward, and start lifting the leg. Option 1. Option 2, you extend both legs. Internal rotation. Yeah, the leg doesn't open. The leg doesn't open. Yeah, the hip doesn't open, sorry. It stays internal rotation. Yes, both hips are facing down. So you stay here, option 1, option 2 here. Otherwise, with the knee back, here. 20 seconds we hold. Eyes forward. Yeah? Take position, point the toes. In 3, 2, 1, we go. Guys, don't use the walls. Use the strength. Internal rotation of the back leg. Don't leave the toes dead. Toes, so many toes dead. No, engage toes, toes pointing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back to center. Super, guys. Beautiful. Other side. Ready? And up. Oh, everyone is up. Up, 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 up. Those who are not up. No hands on furniture, no hands on the walls. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly down. Super. Now we all will go to tabletop position. Take the blocks. Right foot forward. Blocks next to the front foot. Oh, why is not in spotlight? No. Tabletop position. Blocks on the high setting. Right foot forward. Frame the foot with the blocks. Tap the back toes under. Extend the legs. Now you will bring the pelvis low and hold. This is a deep stretch. Those who can interlace the fingers. Those who feel good here, arms up. You go lower with the pelvis without bending the back knee. Yes, so the back leg, guys, it's fully extended. This stretch goes here. Hip flexor psoas, yeah? We go down. The hip is not up. Yeah? 20 seconds hold each leg. Option 1, hands on the block. Option 2, interlace fingers on the front side. And option 3, arms up. Ready? Exhale. Up. Up. Keep the pelvis low. Back heel pressing away from you. Margaret, lower pelvis. More. Yes. Slide the foot back a little bit. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring the knee down. Other side. Ready? Exhale. Extend the back knee, lift up. Keep the pelvis low. And time is on. Eyes forward. Any of the variations, even hands on the block. Eyes forward. Me to extend the back knee if possible. Yes. Pelvis low. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release the knee down. Super. Now we will take both blocks and go for the half split. So we will extend the leg forward. Keep the knee bent, open pelvis. So I'm pressing the hands to the blocks. Yes. And I'm opening the pelvis. Either with the legs straight. Yes. Heel is down, toes are up. Either with the knee bent. The purpose here is that I want to do my cow pelvis when I'm here. I don't want to do this. I want this. Right? So we will hold here option 1 with the knee bent. Option 2, legs straight. If I'm comfortable, I go lower and I start to think. Cow pelvis, belly to my thigh. Cow pelvis, belly to my thigh. Until I am here. Yeah? Now those one here are because really you can hold on the leg. There's no point in doing this. There's also no stretch here. You will find a better stretch here. Pressing the heel and opening the pelvis, you will feel a stretch from here to the ankle. If you try to do this out of deep or whatever, there's no stretch, and what are you doing with your back? Poor back will be crying. Yeah? So, here we want to be active with the heel, active with the open pelvis, and relax on the breath. Yes, 30 seconds, hold each side. Time is on. Heel down, toes up, no matter which variation. Heel down, toes up. Lila, heel down, toes up. Toes up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, bring the knee back. And other side. Ready? Press the heel down, toes up. See which variation is accessible on this side. And we start. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back to center. Now, we will go for slides. So some of you, if your floor is not sliding, you might need socks. I'm used to do it without socks, but you don't have to. Yes, we will need blocks. And we will fold the mat. So we slide on the front part. Yeah? So, you will take the blocks starting from tabletop position. Yeah? I will bring my leg forward, keep the knee bent, open pelvis, even if you have a full front split. Why? Because when you are sliding, yes, you are sliding with an open pelvis to finally reach the front split. If we are sliding with the legs straight, those who don't have the front split, they will be stuck. Here, it doesn't matter. There's a pelvis game here, and it's easier when the knee is bent in the beginning. So when we're sliding, we're here. Inhale, you bring the leg back up. Yes, so the exhale with the knee bent, you slide as low as you can. Back toes pressing down. Inhale, we have pressing hands to block it up. Yeah? Ready? Inhale, exhale, slide forward. Inhale up. Exhale, slide with the front knee bend, everyone. Slide down with the front knee bend, pelvis open. You see that you can go lower. Inhale, 2. Exhale, down. Inhale, 3. Exhale, down. 2 more. Inhale, 4. Exhale, down. Inhale, 5. Exhale, down. Keep the front knee bent, guys. So many of you have the legs straight. Keep the front knee bent. Go to the lowest with the pelvis. Yeah? And we hold. Hold it, everyone, with the blocks. Eyes forward, Lila. Don't drop the head back. It's not giving any back bend. You will end up with pain. Focus, guys. Stillness. Margaret, slide the leg more with the heel. Toes are up. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, coming up. Again, we slide 5 times on the opposite leg and then we hold. Ready? Exhale down. Sliding eyes forward. Inhale up. Exhale 2. Inhale up. Exhale 3. Inhale up. Exhale 4. Inhale up. Exhale 5. Hold it down. Slide with the knee bend, everyone. Please, knee bend, Margaret. Yes. Everyone, knee bend. Super. Now we hold. Eyes forward. Keep the shoulders on top of the pelvis if possible. Find stillness. Focus on your breathing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly, slowly coming up. Very good. Now, next. We will slide and hold. Different variations. Where are the blocks? Different variations. Watch me. Different variations depending where we are. So, we will slide all the way. If I feel here I can release, I try to release one arm. If I feel comfortable, I try to release other arm. Easier with the toes tucked. Yeah, why? Because the hip will not open in any direction. It will stay where it has to be. Those who feel fully comfortable, both arms up. Yes, keep the front knee bent even if you have your front split. Yeah, the shoulders want to be on top, so I lift. Yeah. Otherwise, hands on the blocks. We hold and we go lower than we did before. If there's any space we can go lower, we go. 30 seconds one more time. We can release also one arm only. Yeah? It will increase the intensity of the stretch. Full focus, guys. Exhale, slide forward. And we hold. Time is on. Very good. Keep trying. Yes. Anuradha, try. Good. Sarita, why you're not trying? I think you can. Tuck the toes, back toes under. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly hands to the blocks to come out. Mamta, your front leg was straight. Try to keep it bent and slide lower. It will give you the space, the bent leg. Let's go second leg, guys. Even if you couldn't on the first side, release the hands. Try any which way, second side. Yeah, sometimes one is more dominant than the other. Time is on in 3, 2, 1. Slide. Heel down, toes up. Super. Sarika, we are keeping the front knee bent even if we have the front splits. Keep it active. Super. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press the hands to the blocks and slowly come to center. Very good. Now, we will go for the full splits with blocks, without blocks. Options. Option 1. We will slide with the knee bend. That's for everyone. If I'm somewhat here, I can start placing one block. Try to balance and release. The block is for support, not to lean all my weight, yeah? I have to press with this heel down, back toes also, and keep the weight at the center without leaning too much one side, leaning too much other side. At the center. Yes? If this is lower, you can place it closer to your knee. So you're almost down. Those who can go for the full split, full split. Fingertips here, first option is to keep the weight at the center. Sometimes you have the full split and the leg is opening, the back leg. So first order of business to breathe, the weight to center. Back toes are not decoration, they are to press against the floor. Yes, toes up. Now, those who are comfortable here, you try one arm, two arms. Full focus. Without leaning forward, without leaning back. Yeah? To come out, those who need blocks, press and come out. Yeah? 1 minute hold, guys. 1 minute hold. So as the minute go, you will be able to go deeper in the stretch. Yes, so don't go to your maximum in the first second. You have 1 minute. Slowly, slowly, you see how you feel comfortable. Ready? Start sliding down. Sima, bend the front knee to slide down, and then you will feel more space and more opening from the pelvis. Place the blocks, those who need blocks, those who are on the floor, arms up. Miru, place one block under, yes. Those who are not reaching to the floor, place one block under, except if you are too close to the floor. Yeah? Almost halfway. Eyes forward, everyone. No business looking at the toes. What do we have to do with the toes? Nothing. We look forward. Forward, Lila, not up. Forward. Lila, stop doing this with your neck. You're gonna hurt your neck by the end of the class. Every 2 seconds I see you doing this. Please don't. This is only compressing the cervicals. Super bad. Last 15 seconds. Super, guys. Stay. Raki, come on. Focus. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands to blocks. Inhale, coming up. Super. Other side. Slide and hold. Exhale. Slide. Everyone exhaling and sliding with the knee bend. After that, those who can reach all the way down, cool. Release the hands. Otherwise, adjust accordingly with the block. Arms up, Margaret. Super. Eyes forward, Gita. Come on now. If you're almost, yes, arms up. Sarika, super, Meghna, arms up. Monica, arms up. Sarita, arms up. Weight at the center. Keep bending the front knee, Mamta. Stay, stay, stay. Last 20 seconds. Eyes forward, Sima. I know the tendency is to look down, guys. Keep looking forward. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring the hands down. Slowly coming up. Very good. Now watch me for the next. We will need the chair for oversplit. Chair on top of the mat or any way that it doesn't go away. Yeah, meaning if you need to use it against the wall, go ahead. You will keep your blocks next to you. I give you different options. Option 1, breathe there, heel on top, yes. and you will adjust 90 degrees. Yes, you will adjust here 90 degrees, meaning the knee under my pelvis and the leg straight. Then I will lean forward and hold. You will feel an intense stretch. Option 1. Option 2, you will bend the knee, tuck the back toes, step back, step back, step back. Any level you feel comfortable. You walk the blocks and you keep stepping back. As comfortable as you feel. Those who can feel more comfortable here, no blocks. Fingertips. Yes, we are holding everyone 40 seconds each leg. To come out, those who are all the way down, walk, walk, walk however you can, and then release. Yes? Everyone trying? Ready? Take position. Time is on in 3, 2, 1. 40-second hold. Maximum focus. Sarika, blocks on the high setting. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Super. Slowly, slowly coming out. And second leg. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is on. Sarika, if you are doing this full split, focus more on keeping shoulders on top of your pelvis and internal rotation of the back leg. Yes. Super. Meghna, more internal rotation of the back leg. Yes. Super. Yes, Monica. Sarita, yes. Mamta, yes. Kamana, yes. Anupama, Miru, super. Chintamani is forward. Margaret, if you can, no hands, super strong. Sonia, yes. Gita, eyes forward. Very good. 5, 4, 3. Lila, super. 2. Ritika, yes. 1. Divya, yes. Guys, everyone is nailing it. Super. Legs are crying. Now, guys, one more stretch to the wall for over splits. I will show you from the split. Now, watch me here. I will take my blocks. One, I will place it vertical so I can place the foot down, yes? The other one, some of you might need it here, otherwise hands on the floor. What I want to do is to bend one leg first. So the leg that is against the block, I will bend, hands down. Other leg will come. I can bend more and straighten the leg up. Yes? Option 1. Option 2, you straighten both legs and tuck the toes. And option 3, you walk closer and hold it here. Yeah? The foot that is on the floor is actively pressing. Now, if you feel you need the block, you can use the block, but it might be more challenging. Yes, it can help for those who are in this variation here. These will be more difficult. It's easier with the hands on the floor. Yeah? Let's try. We aim for 30-second hold each side. The heel press against the block. Knee bend and extending leg up. Internal rotation of the leg that is on the wall. Yes, yes, yes. Everyone up. I'm starting the timer. 30 seconds. Super. Stillness. Maximum stillness up. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly coming out. Oh, the leg. Very good, guys, huh? Super. Second leg, observe. Not both the legs sometimes go same open, same close. So try with any expectation. See what happens on the other side.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, hip should be touch the wall or?
Ideally, yes. But if it doesn't touch today, what do we do? Keep practicing, no? So we try, but ideally we want the hip to touch. Yeah?
Okay. And we need to place block on the floor.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, possible.
Let's go, guys. Everyone up. Time is on in 3, 2, 1. Guys, if it's tough to bring the leg up, those who are struggling, bend the leg that is on the floor and wiggle the other leg up. Last 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly down. Very good. Now, we will go away from the wall. Try the same. I'll show you how. Ideally, we want to start from the top. Yeah? So, I will point the toes, start opening, balance on this leg, pressing the toes down, lifting. So, I'm actively lifting the leg up. Once my hands reach the floor, I can press and lean. Yes? Now, I can do this also with my knee bend. Knee bend, I go down, down, hands down. I start lifting the leg and if possible, I start extending the knee on the floor. Those who are comfortable here, you walk with the hands in, lean more. Those who are comfortable, the same arm of the leg that is on the floor, you will grab the heel from behind. Walk the other fingers to the side. Find balance if you can. If you can, you will bring both hands. Yeah? Guys, this requires a lot of practice and strength. Yeah? Now, I don't want anyone to feel frustrated. I want you to explore the pose and consider. Your split that you see here is your split on the floor minus a little bit of degrees. Why? Because you are upside down. There's no gravity helping you. So if on the floor I'm touching, here I might not be having a full line. If on the floor I'm not touching, I might not be able to lift as a full straight line. Yeah? But we develop the strength and the flexibility as we practice. So everyone, give it a go. Yeah? Ready? Add your own rhythm, guys. Those who are nicely finding a hold, count 10 seconds for yourself. Yes, Monica, keep walking. Keep actively lifting the leg up. Meghna, yes, yes, yes. Pointing toes. Sarita, super. Sarita, walk the hands closer to your foot. Anuradha, yes. Leg up, Sima. Stand the upper leg. Yes, Divya, internal rotation upper leg. Pragya, same, internal rotation of the upper leg. Gita, yes. Up. Anupama, yes. Up, internal rotation. Kamana, yes. Sarika, yes. Chintamani, walk the hands closer. Come on, internal rotation, back leg. Miru, lift back leg. Margaret, yes. Lean more, Margaret. Try to lift the other leg up. Ritika, yes, yes, super. More up. Yes, Ritika, super. Guys, yes, Mamta, up. Yes, see how much height. Very good. Now, second side. Very good. Everyone trying. See how is the second side. Super. Guys, last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Very good. One last for those who want. One last. Another variation for the standing. Yeah? So, we will interlace. We will interlace the fingers behind the calf. Yes? Or behind the foot. You will understand why. From here you can see behind the foot. I keep my eyes forward, press the toes around the floor down. I lift the leg. I can bend the knee and keep lifting. Yes? This is like a split but in the air. So the leg eventually comes to the, sorry guys. The leg comes to the front. Yeah? Not to the side. It's not this. It's coming front. Yeah, now those who have a full split, they will try with the fingers here. Relatively easier, yes? So you interlace the fingers, press the other foot down, look forward, point the toes. Start lifting. Yeah? Last one. Just for fun. The leg that is on the floor can be bent. Yeah? Everyone trying. Last one. No hands on the wall, guys. Try, Nidhi, try. Yes. Maximum focus, guys. We need focus and balance. Super, guys. Slowly down. And other side. Second leg. Nidhi, give it a go. Very good, guys. Come on. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly coming down. Super guys, huh? Very proud. Very good class. Now guys, always split. Yeah, it's things to practice consistently. Yeah, it's not a one-day thing. Those who are interested in more foundations, I have plenty of videos on the YouTube channel. So when you go and see any recording, you will have access also to the main channel. You can explore. Yeah, if you want to do a second class on splits during the week. Yeah. Any which ways, in many other classes, we are also practicing some drills for the splits and everything. So the skill gets developing slowly. But don't get frustrated with these things. Yes. It looks tough until you repeat it enough, it looks easy. Yeah? We all been there, guys. Me too. Everyone. Yeah, this is part of the process. All the parts of the class that look super tough eventually feel like nothing. Yeah, one day you will wake up, do your split just like that. Yeah, until then we enjoy the process, no? We enjoy and we smile. Yeah? Super, guys. Let's do the prayer. Sit in a comfortable cross-leg position, lengthen the spine. Inhale, reach the arms up, join the hands in prayer. Exhale, bring the prayer towards the heart center. Connect the thumbs to the beating of your heart. And take this moment to feel the heart beating for you. Keep life. Appreciate the fact that you're alive, that you're living this life through a human experience, and the uniqueness that it comes with it. Take also this moment to thank yourself for showing up today with love and compassion towards yourself, towards your body, and in devotion to your practice. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Let's finish with one Om and three Shantis together. Inhale. Om. Shanti. Wrap the palms, bring all the energy towards the palms of the hands. Place them to cover your eyes. Blink the eyes open. Allow the light to enter through your eyes. Slide the palms on your face. A beautiful smile. Namaste. Thank you so much, guys.
Excuse me, ma'am. I'm having one question.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
My muscle has pulled up in the left side of the leg, so my front split is not that much good right now.
Your muscle what?
So I'm having pain here in the left side when I'm going in the forward fold.
Are you
Only
alternating the leg? Is this pain happening in other poses?
only in the left side, ma'am. When I was doing the hip opening exercises at that time, that muscle has pulled up. So
Is it
having
happening
the
also in a standing position? Let's say you are.
yes.
Yes. It happened before the class or during the class?
No, that the problem has triggered before 2-3 months,
Oh,
not in this class. Yes, so I'm struggling with that pain. I took therapy also, but it didn't recover properly. So what can I do for that?
it can be an overstretch of the muscle.
No, in the not over split. Generally, I go in the forward fold. Na? In the forward fold, the point started pinching here. So I couldn't go much forward in the forward fold.
Sarita, understand what I'm trying to say is that what you might have is an overstretch of the muscle. Muscle has overstretch, and every time you're going into any forward bend, and
Any kind of forward fold, the muscle has triggered pain. Any kind of forward fold. Pinch is also there and the pain is also there. Both the things are.
So when you went to the muscle, because now if there is pain, it can also be that the nerve is getting weak. So you feel like sharpness in the leg, or it's just one part.
Your voice is very low, ma'am. I am unable to understand.
Sarita, send me a private message. Send me a private
Okay, okay. Okay, ma'am.
So the information the if you went to doctor, send me a message with all what they told you, how to
Guys, I'll see you tomorrow.